Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a super cute and easy Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. I'm going to be focusing mainly on the eyes, and then I'm going to come back at the end and show you the final results, which is this right here. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials, and turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. So if you want to see how I got this cute purple, smoky, plummy eye, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to take the color first. I'm going to set my eye because the concealer that I use, the LA Girl concealer that I use to outline my eyebrows, it's starting to crease a bit, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of setting powder on there. Alright, and now I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna go in with Stone Fox, this shade right here. Tapping the brush, dusting off the excess, and I'm just gonna gonna go on top of that with Rock Out. I'm gonna try to use all these colors in this palette, so I'm just gonna build right on top of that color. Alright, and next I'm gonna go in with this Rich Girl purple color here. Take this brush right here. These Morphe Rose Gold Eye Slay 6-piece, they do not have numbers on the brushes, so I only can tell you guys, like, show you guys what the brush looks like. So I'm going to take Rich Girl. I'm going to pop that right here in the corner. And drag it right under my crease. Now I have a hooded eyelid, so if you have a hooded eyelid, then there's a trick to it that you can do. But I'm just going to focus this in the V right here and I'll go up a little bit in the crease. Because I think I'm going to top this eye look off with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. So we'll see about that. So I'm just going to put this on the other side in the V as well. And then I'm going to take that same brush that I used before and just put nothing on it and just blend all of those colors together so I don't have any harsh lines right here. Alright, so I did the other eye cut crease as much as I could. And now I'm going to go in with the color Purple Rain right here. And I'm going to put that all over this brush here. And just tap that in. I'm going to go in with the color Hidden Gem. It has a little sparkle in it, but more brown. And just bring that into the corner as well, right on top of that purple. And up into the crease. Now I'm going to take the Heavy Metal Glitter by Urban Decay, and I'm going to put that right on the top of the crease. I'm going to coat my lashes with my Tarteist mascara. I think I'm pretty much done with this look. So I'm going to coat my lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and put my false lashes on, a little bit of eyeliner, and do the rest of my face. And I'll be back with my final look and my thoughts about this particular palette. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the finished look. This makeup palette is amazing. A little bit of fallout, but all in all, this is a really, really nice palette. I created this look. As you can see, it is amazing. It retails for, can't remember what it retails for, so I'll link Morphe's website down below as well as Ulta's website. This is the 9C Jewel Crew eyeshadow palette by Morphe, and the colors are awesome. So the only issue I had with this palette was the color Purple Rain. I use basically all of these colors in here. I literally use all these colors to create this look. Purple Rain was a little bit tugging on the brush, but it feels like it's like a chromey type of eyeshadow, like a foil. So maybe it's a certain, maybe you just have to use your finger for this particular one. But all in all, this palette is a really, really nice palette. So if you're trying to, if you love like burgundies and like oranges and bronzy colors, this is a perfect palette for you. Again, it is the 9C. I'll link all of the information down below. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.